this very conference I made a literature review about ethical consumption, sustainable consumption, and strikingly enough, it is very much defined in a Western way. EU definitions, data collected in EU or USA or UK. And for that very topic, I would call for alternative views that would emerge from countries like Peru or Chile or Africa, where we have different philosophical stands on what might be sustainability. My recommendation for the topic would be to try to find alternative ways of collecting data or discussing it, going to the philosophies of indigenous people or to the small villages where they still have not embraced consumption and consumer culture, and see how did they live or they are living at the moment, in order to see if there is an alternative way that existed that we have lost. There sure is a contradiction between that. And I think that less affluent people sometimes are living involuntarily very sustainable lives because they cannot consume or purchase and throw away, which we have ignored. We don't call it sustainable way of life. So there is a contradiction between these people getting so-called development, which brings them to the consumption, and then they've lost their sustainable ways of living.